Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox unable to download install error. First, try switching the download version. If you are installing Roblox through the Microsoft Store and it keeps failing, close the store completely and visit the official Roblox website. Download the installer from there and see if it works. If you already tried the website version and it failed, open the Microsoft Store and install Roblox from there instead. Changing the installation method often fixes this issue. The next solution is to run the installer as an administrator. Download the Roblox Player Launcher file from the official Roblox website. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder, right-click the file, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission, then wait for the installation to finish. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to complete properly. If you are using the Microsoft Store version, you should also clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear for a few moments and then close automatically. After that, the Microsoft Store will open again. Try downloading Roblox once more and check if the problem is resolved. Thanks for watching.